Hi, I'm Rajan Mistry, Senior Staff Engineer at Qualcomm Technologies. In this demo, we are showcasing the Qualcomm RB3 Gen 2 platform that was recently announced at Embedded World in March. We are showcasing how this development kit is running Qualcomm Linux and all the tools that are available to developers to start building their applications on this kit. So as part of the Qualcomm Linux build for developers, it also includes a few sample apps that are part of the Qualcomm Intelligent Multimedia SDK. And this SDK is part of the GStreamer plugin framework that enables developers to create the end-to-end pipeline. They can just make one call to get the camera frame, do some pre-processing to it, feed it to an AI model, and then at the tail end display it on a VLAN display or create a TCP stream from it. So as part of the Qualcomm Linux build and the Intelligent Multimedia SDK, developers get access to a whole bunch of sample apps that enable them to get started on building their applications. So in this case, we are showcasing the AI app that's running 4 different inference models on device. It's doing image segmentation, classification, PoseNet, and object detection on the same stream. It's using GStreamer plugins for all 4 of them, and if you want more information, it's available on qualcomm.com.